These crispy Kohlrabi Schnitzel are golden, sesame-crusted, and shatteringly crunchy. The vegetarian schnitzel that turns humble kohlrabi into the star of the table. You slice the kohlrabi into rounds, then dredge each one through seasoned flour, beaten egg, and a panko coating spiked with nutty sesame seeds. Peel the kohlrabi and slice it into rounds about 1 centimeter thick. Set up 3 plates, seasoned flour, beaten eggs, and panko mixed with sesame seeds. Dredge each slice through the flour, then the egg, then press it into the sesame-panko. Pan fry in hot oil for 3 to 4 minutes aside until deeply golden. Drain them on paper, shower with chives, and serve hot with a creamy dip on the side. Serve them with mashed potato, rice, or a fresh salad. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!